Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at the comparison of Luma AI and Adobe Premiere Pro. But after 2026, the comparison between them has shifted from competitors to complementary tools. Because while Luma AI is a specialized foundation for generative video creation, Adobe Premiere Pro remains the industry standard for professional post-production and timeline-based editing. So notably, Luma's RAID 3 model is integrated directly into the Adobe ecosystem via Firefly, allowing editors to use Luma's generative power inside Premiere Pro. Hope you found this video helpful. Oh, and do not forget that professional editors no longer choose between them, so instead they use Luma AI within Premiere Pro to generate B-roll or extend shots, then use Premiere's native tools for final color, audio mastering, and delivery. So that's it. See you in the next one.